Hi there, short video on how to log on to Teams and join a lesson. We're going to be talking about two devices you can use to get onto Teams. Firstly, we have a PC or laptop, which you probably won't be able to use because your parents will be on it, or a smartphone, which hopefully you will. Before you start, you'll need to know what your school email address is. This is your school logon, followed by the school domain name. And my example here, I've got David Smith. So it would be the year that you joined, followed by your initials, which is your normal school login, so 18DASM, at lavington.wilts.sch.uk, and then you will also need to have remembered what your password is for the school system. As you can see from the video, getting onto Teams is fairly easy. In this example, I've just googled office.com. I follow the links, click on the sign in button, and this is where you put in your login details. Remember, it's your email address, not just your school login. So for example, you start with the numbers. I'm going to use the example of a year 7. You'll notice I'm putting at lavington.wilts.sch.uk. Next. My password is the same as the school network. And this brings you into the first page of Office 365. You'll then need to, and I'm just going to move this bit out of the way, you'll see there's different icons on the left. We're going to select Teams. It does take a little while, and there are two options. You can either download it onto your desktop or you can just use the online version. I suggest using the web app one. Okay, and that's the first screen. You click on the Teams button. This will show you the classes that you are assigned to. Okay, that's that bit. Once you're on to the Teams session, Teams app, you then have to choose from the options on the left, and we're going to use Calendar, and you'll see that there's a timetable lesson with my name on it for IT. Click on that and then press Join. Okay. If, however, you're using a smartphone or a tablet, what you need to do first is to download the Microsoft Teams app. Again, once you've loaded the app, you then have to put in your school email and password as your credentials. Once downloaded, you'll see this screen. At the bottom, there are the main navigation icons, and the one that we are interested in is the 3 dots. And you see that I've also known as ellipses. That's the posh word for it. But the 3 dots is what you want to select. I then choose Calendar from the options in the same way that I did with the desktop version, and you'll see the event on the 20th of October, which is when I film this, and again we just click on the join bit to take part in that session.